is a brief introduction to finding articles using the JMU Library's resources, and we're going to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. If you've been to the library's website before, you've seen this big search box at the top of the page. This is Quick Search. You can use Quick Search to search many library resources, including books, ebooks, videos, and articles. Let's search for storytelling. We'll just type it in the box and hit submit. And this is what you'll see. Thousands of results. You may even think that the first few results are not even relevant to your search. That's okay. It's actually pretty simple to take this list and make it much more manageable. For instance, we know that we want to look at articles. If you know you are required to use peer-reviewed articles as sources for your assignment, then you can limit your results to just articles from peer-reviewed journals. Already, you can see a huge decline in the number of results, but it's still way too many articles to comb through. In fact, now you notice that the articles are on very different aspects of storytelling. This one's about digital storytelling in an educational setting, but the next one is about storytelling from a business perspective. And then there's an article in Spanish. Let's start by identifying the type of storytelling I'm researching. I noticed some of the articles were about children's storytelling, and that's my main interest. So in the search box at the top of the page, I'll type the word children after the and in the second field. Using and connects topics that are different in order to narrow your result list. But there's more than one way to say children, isn't there? What if we didn't include the synonyms for the word children, and we missed out on finding the best article about children's storytelling? You can fix that by creating a synonym string using OR. And click Search. Again, the number of results are going down, but this is still thousands of articles. Did you notice the date of the oldest article in this search is from 1882? Since we only want articles that are recent about children's storytelling, let's change the date range to 2009 through 2014. Again, fewer results, and that's great. Now you notice the buttons that say check for full text at JMU. What is this? If there is a full text article associated with this link, it will show up as a PDF file or an HTML file. But even though Quick Search searches many library resources, books, journals, databases, ebooks, videos, and more, JMU libraries have access to many, many more resources outside of Quick Search. If Quick Search does not have the full text of an article, we may still be able to get to it through another JMU library's database by clicking on the Check for Full Text button, like this. And if you really just want to see what full text articles are available, you can limit so that your results list only shows full text articles. And don't forget, when you become stuck or have a question, contact the library using the Ask the Library option.